If you're a tattoo artist and you feel stuck, or you just start and you have no idea what to do next, or you know you're capable of more but you don't know exactly the next step, this video might be the most important you watch. Tattooing shouldn't feel unstable, but somehow for a lot of artists it does. And then what you can get is inconsistent results, you got unclear progress, you don't even know if you're moving somewhere or you're stuck and you don't know how to get out from that. You're just guessing instead of knowing. And you always have that consistent fear in the background. What if it doesn't work? What if it's all this a failure? And then you wonder, am I actually getting better? Will I make the money? How do I get clients? How do I get the lines in stay perfectly with the first pass? Imagine being a year exactly the same level where you are, not getting any better. And obviously the uncertainty kills your confidence. And confidence is literally the key in this business. But to get the confidence, you need the skills. And that's the reason why I built this school. There's no random tutorials, no random motivation. All we have is structured system, shows you how it works, what you should do, how you should do, and how you get to the level or skill you want. It shows you how to practice, on what to practice, what you should use. So you just stop guessing and you just progress with certainty. And here's the thing. The growth shouldn't be boring. Inside the school, you will be always exposed to new designs, new stencils, new challenges, new techniques, new approaches, and just seeing tattooing in the whole new way that you did before. Every week, there's something that pulls you forward, something that reignites the passion when you first time you hold your tattoo machine in your hands. You remember that feeling, do you? So you're not gonna stagnate here. You will evolve every week, all the time. And I'm guessing you didn't pick tattooing because you were bored. You want to be somebody. You want to create your own style. You want to have people. You want to draw on people, design on people, give them happiness, designs that they wear and they feel amazing. So you feel amazing, making them feel amazing. That's the whole point. And you don't want to be just average. You wouldn't go to the second best guy, to the fifth best guy. You wouldn't go to the 10th best guy. You want to be the first. You want to be the best guy. You want to stand out, do you? You want to be recognized for what you do and your skill. You want people to see your design and know exactly who drew that. You drew that. You tattooed that. And this school isn't about copying styles. It's giving the knowledge in the style so you can develop your style. You can implement all these little things into your style, your way of doing things. How you see the world with your eyes, your identity. So again, when people see it, who did that, they know it was you. You want to become somebody. And you're not doing this alone. Inside the school, you're surrounded with the same people, in the same level, in the same path. They're from different countries, different continents. So you're not in competition. You are there developing each other. You're not alone in this game. People who have the same ambitions, same struggles, same suffering. People who just started and people a couple of years in. They're all there. They're all learning. They don't have an ego and they don't gatekeep. They just tell you what you need, how you need, and I tell you what you need, how you need. We don't hold back. And I can say it's a real community that pushes each other. I mean it. They do a lot of things for each other. And tattooing is a lonely craft. A lot of times you're going to be by yourself. But this online family will look after you. They'll be there when you need it. If you have any questions, you ask. If you have any concerns, you ask. If you have some worries, you ask. If you want some tutorials, you ask. So this is about the mastery. Clean lines, smooth shading, good amount of black, smooth transitions. And it's also about your mental growth. How you think, how you approach things, how you see the skin, how you see longevity, how it actually stays for a long time. You don't want to improve your tattoos. You want to improve yourself so you can create everyday good tattoos. So it's you who does the tattoos. It's not about the tattoos. It's you getting to the next level so all your tattoos become the next level as you are. So if you want certainty in your progress, so you actually know where you're going, and if you're going, and what to do, how to do, why to do, using what. You want to feel excitement in your craft, respect for your work, and connect with artists who also care, and growth that compounds year after year. This is your place. Join this tattoo school and become the artist you know you should become. It's in your hands, your decision. You're responsible over your growth.